Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get a full box variation for the BoxyCharm Base June box. And I'm going to also show you a couple of new spoilers for the BoxyLuxe June box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the choice items and spoilers for the BoxyCharm July base box. Well, thank you so much, Julian EKG. Julianne says, I'm first again. How are you, hun? Love you. Well, Julianne, honey, thank you so much. I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I'm doing just fine, I reckon, you know. We're doing all we can do. I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your own and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. Never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first up, we're going to go ahead and show the full box variation that we've seen for the June BoxyCharm base box. So you know, we know there's more spoilers in there than this, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this. So the products that we see in this box is the SelfTaught Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And then we see that Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. We also see that Lily Lashes Mascara. Also that Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Cream to Powder Trio Palette. And then we see the $1 Billion Brows, that 5-piece charcoal brush set. And the new item we see in this box is called Cab Cosmetics. I've never heard of this. Now, I don't know if that's a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss. I see a lot of lip glosses that look like it's in that same packaging, so I'm assuming that's it. And it's also going to come with a matching lip liner, so that's pretty cool. Again, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm quite eager to see what everybody thinks of it. Now guys, let's go ahead and look at the BoxyLuxe June spoilers that we just found. So first, you know there's going to be that Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette, then the Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB cream, and then of course that Tula Skin, the Cooling Eye Balm. That looks pretty cool. And then of course that Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. We also know that the Hallmark Collectibles, is it silk or satin? It's one of those. It's a pillowcase and a matching eye mask set, so that's pretty cool. Now the new thing that we see with this, I know they're lip pencils, but I think the brand is Bodyography, and I don't know if you get one or you get a set of them. I'm not exactly sure, and probably shades are going to vary. And then the other news, this Pure Hills product, it says a sleeping pack, the Pro Propolis 80 sleeping pack or something. I don't know exactly what those are. If I look it up, if I happen to get off my ass and do something and actually look it up, I'll put it up here to let y'all know exactly what it is. But of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Aaron Subscription Corner. Aaron says, love your videos. Well, Aaron, honey, I love you, and I really appreciate it. And I'm glad to hear that you're enjoying my videos, honey. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. And I really appreciate you stopping by and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine and you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.